Welcome back to our channel Travel with the Vibes. This vlog is about most popular destination, that is Goa, also called as the Pull of the East. We traveled to Goa via Kolhapur. We started our train journey from Thane and covered approximately 400 km and reached Kolhapur, also called as Dakshin Kashi. On the same day, we went to Sri Mahalakshmi temple and took blessings of Goddess Mahalakshmi and further headed to our destination, Goa, via bus. We booked our bus from Paolo Travels. Throughout the journey from Kolhapur to Goa, we enjoyed mesmerizing views of mountains and finally we reached Goa. We stayed in the resort named Ondas Do Mar Resort, an elegant beach resort near Calangute beach. It has air-conditioned, well-appointed and comfortable rooms and swimming pool just adjacent to restaurant and the bar. Rooms cost approximately 1,700 rupees. It comes with one closet, two armchairs, one double bed, refrigerator and all the other facilities. The rooms are aesthetically designed with vibrant colors, which gives one a feeling of living in a Portuguese villa. Overall rating this resort, ambience of this resort was 8 on 10, service of this resort was 7 on 10, value of this resort was 8 on 10. It was definitely a budget-friendly resort. We enjoyed our stay a lot. If you find this video interesting and useful, then subscribe to our channel and to leave a thumbs up.